Hi everyone, and I just received Oneplus Buds Z from Amazon. I just bought this for 3000 rupees, and this is the latest Oneplus Buds from OnePlus. It's called the Oneplus Buds Z, and it's the white version. There's also another gray version that's available. This cost me around 3000, as I have told, 2999 to be exact. Yeah, and let me try opening this. It's covered in a plastic wrap, so I guess I can open it just like this. Yep, let me open it up. I don't think there's any other seal that's left to open. Let me try sliding it out just like this, and yep, and there we go. We have a Oneplus Buds Z. Let me get this out. Oh, it's really tiny, even tinier than I thought of. So let me remove this plastic protective cover, and then let me keep this aside for now, and let's check what else we have in the box. So in the box, it doesn't look like there's anything inside, and then there's this Buds for Life pull cover. Let me pull this tab and see what's underneath. Okay, it says enjoy your new buds, and in this it feels like there's something inside. Let me try opening this up. There is actually some paperwork. So this is a let's get started guide, and then it's a safety and warranty guide. So yeah, and I guess there are some accessories. So this is the red OnePlus cable, the type C cable which we use for charging the OnePlus Buds. And yep, let me keep this aside. Then this is the cover, and then we have this sticker or the card which says Red Cable Club, and that refers to this red OnePlus cable. So let me get rid of all this covering, packaging, everything, and then let's take a look at the OnePlus Buds Z itself. So as you can see, there is the capsule kind of design, and on the back side you have a button. I guess it's a button. Yes, it looks like a button, and with an LED notification along with a charging port. That's a type C port, and let me open it up for the first time. So as you can see, there are two buds, left buds and right buds, which are laid in this fashion of sideways instead of the standing position in the original OnePlus Buds. Yeah, it was called OnePlus Buds, and then this is the newer version with the ear tips. So yeah, that's what we have. So this is the left earbuds, and this is the right earbuds. So these two are the ones. It looks really good. It feels like feels premium. It doesn't feel cheap. And let me try putting it back in the case. It has this nice magnetic attachment mechanism, and then the case itself shuts with a nice feeling sound. And as you can see, it is already charged, but I will be charging it for a while, and then I'll start using it, and I will tell you how good it is. Alright, so now I have connected and tried this OnePlus Buds Z on my Android phone. It's as simple as opening up this case right here by keeping both these earbuds inside, and then once it opens up, it'll give you a white blinking light. Once that light turns on, you can either get a pop-up on your Android phone and then tap on that to connect automatically, or else if that pop-up doesn't shows up in your Android phone, you can go to the Bluetooth settings, and then from there you can connect to OnePlus Buds Z, which will be visible there. Once you're done with that, you can install Hi Melody app. It's available in Play Store, and then with that you can customize the touch controls of this OnePlus Buds Z pods. So yeah, you can also enable AAC. I haven't noticed any delays as such. There's a minute delay in gaming, but I guess that's negligible. And then compared to the OnePlus Buds, it sounds really well. The original OnePlus Buds didn't fit that well, but this OnePlus Buds Z fits really well into your ear, and then it feels really good. So yeah, it's a plus point. And by the way, here is the mic test of OnePlus Buds Z. I'm talking through the OnePlus Buds, and I have been using it for a while now. I have been using it for around 3-4 hours now, and I have tried taking multiple calls using OnePlus Buds Z. It sounds pretty clear, and the person on the other end didn't complain about any of the voice issues. So I guess it will be a really good TWS earphones for video calls and normal phone calls. So let's get back to the video. And then I'll any day recommend you for buying this OnePlus Buds Z instead of the OnePlus Buds. So yep, that's pretty much it. I really like these buds. I prefer you get this instead of the OnePlus, but the original OnePlus Buds. As I have said, it's around 3,000 rupees compared to the 5,000 rupee range of the OnePlus Buds, the original OnePlus Bud. Thank you guys for watching, and then click on that like button, subscribe to my channel for more. I'll be doing more reviews on this on like after 2 months or 3 months, so that I can let you know guys how it feels after the long time extended usage. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video.